How to use Pancake Swap tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to get started with Pancake Swap. So let's get into it. Now, Pancake Swap is a easy to use platform that enables you to trade, earn, win, and store your NFTs. They also allow you to change your crypto tokens and swap different items. So let's get into it and let's take a look at how you can use Pancake Swap. So, a lot of the times people don't understand what the purpose of Pancake Swap might be. You have trading, you have earning, you have winning NFTs. You also have some other options where you can change the crypto blockchain that you are present on. So, those are just some of the main reasons people like to use Pancake Swap. Now, you just go on pancakeswap.finance. From here, you're going to click on the top right. And this is the Connect Wallet section. You're just going to click on Connect Wallet and you will simply connect the wallet that you have. So I have MetaMask over here. I will click on MetaMask and you can choose any of the crypto wallets that you have. I will enter my password for MetaMask like so. And after that, they will show you a verification and you will click on Next, click on Connect. And now PancakeSwap will connect to your MetaMask account or to your PancakeSwap. Now, after that, you can see that whenever you actually are using PancakeSwap, so I have switched to the BNB chain. Now, with PancakeSwap, I can click on select a network and I can choose to change back to Ethereum. So if you're someone that is using the Ethereum mainnet on MetaMask and you want to switch to BNB Smart Chain, then using PancakeSwap is a simple way that you can do it. A lot of the times people want to do this to store their NFTs. People want to buy NFTs and they want to switch their blockchain. So in this way, you can go on ahead and change your chain and you can see all of your transactions as well. Now after that, you have your basic settings, so you can choose your basic health indicator or your dark mode or night mode. Then after that, you have a little amount of money that you get with PancakeSwap whenever you register, and you can choose to go on ahead and trade your cryptocurrencies on PancakeSwap. So for that, you can simply click on trade, click on swap over here, and you can enter any of the crypto tokens that you have for a different crypto token. So let's say I want to trade 1 ETH for a different crypto token. So let's say I want to trade 1 ETH for 1 WETH. So whatever you want to choose, you can go on ahead and choose that. Now you're just going to enter that and you will be able to see the balance, the slippage tolerance, the price that you are getting for a certain token, the minimum received, the price impact, and the liquidity provider fee. So this will enable you to convert your cryptocurrencies in a simple and effective manner without having to go into more detailed trades. Now after that, you also have a BNB Smart Chain only feature, which is their limiting orders. So you can click on switch to BNB Smart Chain and this will change your mainnet or your wallet address to the BNB Smart Chain blockchain. And once you do that, you can go on ahead and trade BNB with limiting orders, and this can enable you to make profits as well. So let's say I have BNB and you can enter the amount of BNB you want to trade. Then you will get the mooncake or the cake, whatever token you might want to call it. For exchange, you can even choose a different token. So let's say I want to do Ethereum. I can choose Ethereum and then it will show me the trade that I'm getting. And you also have a simple limit order that you can put in. So when a price of a certain token reaches this, then you want to buy it. Then you also have liquidity that you can do. So you can add your money into a liquidity pool instead of just holding it in your crypto token, and this will give you interest. So this will enable you to earn money on your crypto holdings as well. Then you have perpetual trades and you have bridges, and these are more complicated features that I actually don't recommend directly on PancakeSwap, simply because the platform is not really that optimized. It doesn't have that many traders. So sometimes this could be a profit, but sometimes it could yield you to a loss. And you can see over here, you have cross trading, you have 20x, you have futures perpetuals trading. I have detailed videos on that, on how to do that, primarily on Binance, but it's pretty simple. You can go on ahead and leverage money, and you can go on ahead and put in the specific leverage that you want to do. You can choose to long or short a token. So if you expect the price to go up, you long it. If you expect the price to go down, you short that token. Now after that, you even have earning sections on PancakeSwap. So First off, you have basic farms that you can earn from, and you can actually see the boosted or the core earnings, the APRs that they are earning, so the average interest yields that they're getting. Then you have pools. So pools are basically when you provide liquidity, so you're providing your money into a liquidity pool for these large marketplaces or exchanges to provide liquidity because they're constantly trading crypto tokens and they need crypto tokens to be able to manage their large portfolios. So for that, you can just simply put in your money in a liquidity pool. It's super safe and effective, especially if the price of your token is relatively stable. Putting it in a liquidity pool can be super effective to earn more money on your crypto tokens. So you can see over here you have multiple different options and you can click on the details. After that, you can go on ahead and enable your pool, and this will give you a MetaMask requirement and a transactional fee. And then after that, you can simply put your money in a simple liquidity pool on Pancake Swap. So you have multiple different tokens that you can choose from, multiple different token pairs as well, and usually are staking cake in most of these situations. Now, after that, you also have the winning section where you have lottery features and trading competitions as well. So this is just totally dependent on luck. But another great feature is the NFT feature on Pancake Swap. So you can manage and sell your NFTs on Pancake Swap. You can monitor your collections and store your NFTs on their platform. Simply by clicking on manage/sell, you actually have a basic profile. You can collect NFTs, earn points and achievements on those NFTs as well. Plus, the PancakeSwap platform is dedicated by voting systems, so this enables a very democracy-led kind of system on PancakeSwap, which enables their decentralized platform to be able to have their own governing policies, which keeps it a lot safer for a lot of people. Now, after that, you have their trading competition. So there are large rewards for these kinds of trades, but these are more luck-based contests. So these are just some of the basic highlights of using PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap also gives you rewards for simply signing up. You can see you have some basic money. You have the price of their token over here. So the price has increased by 1% in the past 24 hours. And you also have a stablecoin swap. So you can choose trade between stablecoins on PancakeSwap as well, instead of just doing basic token to token trading on your Pancake Swap. And at any time you can go back to your Ethereum network. So if I click on Ethereum over here, I can switch back to the Ethereum mainnet, and that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with Pancake Swap. And I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Pancake Swap. Make sure to share this video with your friends or someone that might be just starting out in cryptocurrency or trying to figure out how to get started on, different kinds of platforms and how to switch the blockchain, how to monitor prices or store your crypto tokens. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.